Now we are going to discuss the chemical formulae. In this table, we are going to be comparing how elements in the periodic table have a different number of outer electrons, the electrons lost or gained when they become ions, the charge on the ion, and examples of ions. This information is going to be compared in the elements in group 1, group 2, group 3, group 5, group 6, and group 7. So all elements in group 1, they have one electron in their outer shell. When they become an ion, one electron is lost and the charge on this ion is 1 plus. And examples of ions in group 1 include lithium plus, Na plus, and K plus, as they all form a charge of 1 plus when they become ions. Group 2 elements always have 2 outer electrons. This means 2 electrons are lost when they become ions, so the charge on these ions are 2 plus. And these are examples of the first 3 ions formed in group 2, Be2 plus, Mg2 plus, and Ca2 plus. Elements in group 3 always have 3 outer electrons. This means 3 electrons are lost when they become ions, meaning the charge on the ion is 3 plus. And Al3 plus is an example of an element in group 3. Group 5 elements always have 5 electrons in their outer shell, and they have 3 electrons gained when becoming an ion. The charge on their ions is always 3 minus, and P3 minus is an example of an ion in group 5. Group 6 elements, they always have 6 electrons in their outer shell, and they have 2 electrons gained when they become ions, and the charge on their ions is 2 minus, and these are examples of ions formed in group 6, O2 minus and S2 minus. A group 7 elements always have 7 electrons in their outer shell, and they gain 1 electron, and the charge carried by the ion when it's formed is 1 minus, and these are some examples of ions formed in group 7, F minus, Cl minus, and Br minus.